Hi guys, let's unbox a microphone that we can use it for the mobiles, the tablets and also the TV also. Let's begin. This is Maono Lavalier microphone. This comes with this type of box. Okay, the manufacturer is Maono. The description, it says Maono AU-400 lavalier microphone black, and rupees it says 699 here, and it's a lavalier microphone. And this side it says smartphone for camera and for presentation, interview and the computer we can use this microphone. Here the Maono, the branding comes. Okay. And here the specifications and the features it has. The mainly we should check that the frequency range 50 Hz to 18 Hz. Okay, and then output impedance 1000 OHM or less. Okay, let's open it. In this box, we received a feedback card where we can scan it and give the feedback through Facebook and also Maono website. Okay, and here guys, if you need any help, we can contact the email IDs and also the websites that is provided here. And let's keep it there for a side. And here is a pouch. Maono, the branding comes with tags. Let's open it. I think the microphone, it looks very premium actually, and it's soft. The tip is soft. Okay, and 3 mm jack we have guys, and a very lengthy cable we have actually. Okay, so for a distance device we can connect it directly with the device. And guys, here is the clip and other thing. We have here another audio jack where we can connect for iPhones. Okay, another thing we have, yes, we have another thing. This is, guys, leave it for a dry purpose, the manufacturer will keep it. And this is another clip where we can use it as an alternative for the microphone. Another thing, no guys. Okay, this is what the unboxing. Will come with another video for testing of this microphone. Thank you guys. Thank you.